Welcome to BS. This is IGNOU Regional Center Pune. Myself D.R. Sharma. Now I am going to explain the MBA program with revised syllabus launched with effect from July 2021 cycle. India's IGNOU's MBA program is very famous. Based on the request of the students, now there are two modifications. One is no entrance examination. Second one is no experience is required. Now simply any graduate can do this program. We need to know about the salient features of this new MBA program. Number one is it is AICTE approved program offered across pan India and in selected countries of India, selected countries outside India. Contemporary curriculum and latest study material. Fees is very much affordable. Flexible learning is there. With these salient features, now the IGNOU's new MBA program with revised syllabus is on offer for the benefit of all prospective learners. You all know that IGNOU offers admissions twice in a year, January and July cycles. Now for the January 2022 cycle, admissions are open. Last date for the admissions is 10th February. If you see the eligibility condition of this new MBA program, it is only a bachelor's degree of 3 years duration with 50% marks from any recognized university. The duration, if you see the MBA program, it is of minimum 2 years and maximum 4 years. You all know what is minimum and maximum. If someone is not able to complete the program in 2 years' time, still there are another 2 years for him to complete this program. This is the flexibility built into IGNOU's all academic programs. And this program is currently being offered in English medium. Program structure is like this. There are overall 28 courses, 20 core courses, 7 specialization courses and 1 project. With this, the entire program completes. This is the program structure. Next, we will see the course selection semester wise, how to select the courses. We already told you that there will be 28 courses. There are 4 semesters. So 4 into 7, 28. This is the distribution of courses in each semester. In the first semester, you will be selecting MMPC 001 to MMPC 007. It means all are compulsory courses in the first semester. Like that, in the second semester also, MMPC 8 to MMPC 14, another 7 compulsory courses are there. It means there is no choice for the student in the first and second semesters to select. All 14 courses are compulsory. Whereas in the third semester, you need to study MMPC 15, 16 and MMPP 001 and 4 courses from the chosen specialization courses. It means 15, 16 and the project are compulsory courses and choice-based courses from a specialization stream, that is up to you. You have to select one specialization for the third and fourth semesters. From that, you need to select 4 courses in the third semester, 3 courses in the fourth semester. Whereas, if you see the course division, that is MMPC 17, 18, 19, 20, 4 compulsory courses will be there in the first semester and another 3 semesters from the same specialization from which you have selected courses in the third semester. So, this is the course option system. What are the courses actually you need to study? Let us see the course names. MMPC 001, Management Functions and Organizational Process, Human Resource Management, that is MMPC 2, MMPC 3, Business Environment, 4, Accounting for Managers, 5, Quantitative Analysis for managerial applications, 6 is marketing management, and the 7th one is business communications. These are all the 7 courses which you will be studying in the semester 1. Now let us see in the second semester, which starts from MMPC 8, which is information systems for managers. 9 management of machines and materials. 10 managerial economics. 11th one is social process and behavioral issues. 12th is strategic management. 13 is business laws, and the last one 14 is financial management. These are the 7 courses you will be studying in the second semester. If we see the course option in the third semester, that is MMPC 15, research methodology for management decisions. This research methodology is very much important for you to go about the dissertation process also. And the second course is, that is MMPC 16, international business management, and project work is MMPP 001, which is equivalent to 2 courses. Apart from this, now these are the 3 compulsory courses in the third semester. What are they again? MMPC 15, 16 and project. Apart from the 3, there are 4 courses you have to select one of the specialization areas which you have already listened. If you see the fourth semester, there are 3 compulsory courses like MMPC 17, 18, 19 and 20. That is 4 courses are compulsory and 3 courses from a specialization stream, making a total of 7 courses. This is the course option system in the semester based system. Now it is better to know about a little about the project MMPP 001 project course. It is equivalent to 2 courses. The fee will be equivalent to 2 courses. However, for registration purpose, MMPP 001 project course is treated as 1 course. In order to get an MBA degree, a student has to complete 28 courses with a total credit weightage of 116 credits. Now let us see how these 120 credits come to you. There are 20 compulsory courses of 4 credits each, which means 80 credits. 1 project equivalent to 2 credits, that is 8 credits. And 7 courses from a specialization area of 4 credits each, making a total of 28 credits. Thus 80 plus 28 plus 8 is equal to 116 credits you have to complete. This is the project course and other details about the credit value. If you see the procedure of admission, there is no need to purchase any prospectus, no need to go anywhere. Simply log on to IGNOU website and go to online admission link in the Samarth portal. Thus, a student can take admission for MBA of IGNOU from his respective place, its office, house or somewhere else. Student has to register for the program in the first semester and subsequently re-register for all the other semesters. That means the entry of the program is called as registration. Subsequent fee payment for the remaining courses semester wise is called as re-registration. If you see the fee particulars, it will be 14,000 for first, second and fourth semesters because there are 777 courses. Whereas in the third semester, you will be taking a project that is equivalent to 2 courses. That is why a 2,000 fee is more there, making a total of 16,000. Overall program fee is 58,000. With this affordable fee, you cannot get a MBA degree anywhere else. Suppose I am a student, studied 1 year of MBA program, and after this I want to exit. Then what will happen to my courses which I have completed from IGNOU? If I request, IGNOU will give me a PG diploma after completing first and second semesters of 14 courses successfully. Very good offer, isn't it? Hope you all like this new MBA program in IGNOU. Apart from this evaluation system also, I would like to explain a little bit. IGNOU's evaluation system is like this. First evaluation will be through assignment and the second and final evaluation will be through term and examination. Assignment weightage will be 30%. Term and examination weightage will be 70%. A passing mark. What will be the passing mark in the MBA program? This is also very interesting to know. In IGNOU, two type of marking system or evaluation system you can say is being followed. One is marks, second one is grading. For School of Education programs and for MBA, this grading system is followed. So, minimum required grade will be C. So, A grade means 80 and above, B grade means 60 to 80, C grade means 40 to 59, and E grade means below 40. So, minimum grade should be C grade to complete the program successfully. This C grade should be obtained separately in assignment and term and examination. You cannot say I got A grade in the term assignment and D grade in the term, so I can complete the program. It is not like that. The minimum required C grade should be obtained in both the components. Hope you all like this program, this video, this information. If you like, you take an admission and inform your friends who are willing to join IGNOU and enhance their educational qualifications. Wish you all the best. Thank you. Namaskar.